Hello everybody. Yep. Right here I have Cactus the Cat, which is Darkness Within 10. Her username on AJ is alena123. She makes awesome drawing videos. She has the best draw I've known. And yeah. This is like our 5th, 6th time we're making the video because we want it to stay at 2 minutes maximum, because nobody, let's be honest here, nobody wants to watch more than a 6-minute video. I mean, seriously. So, yeah. Anyways, she helped with my intro and outro. Dang it. Things. So, yeah, but this is amazing. Oh my gosh, there's the bounce house party. OMG. So I have only 1,187 gems and 3 diamonds because I spent them on this din. And then she said, "Yep." Oh my gosh, who's on? Oh. I don't know what that was, but anyways, so it's already been 1 minute, almost 2, so I'm just gonna say goodbye. Wait, would that be 2 minutes? Goodbye. No, yes. Anyway, for best friends in real life, etc. We lunch together, go to school together. We're like besties, and we draw and stuff. And yeah, we're like in real life best friends. Anyways, goodbye and see you later. Oh, she's not saying goodbye. Don't take it offensively. Bye.